So I was not expecting to win for the second time, though I was confident because of my hard work, resilience, and my unwavering dedication to bring gold to the by representing the Garos. But then when I heard that I won gold again, I was overwhelmed and obviously excited. And yeah, by the grace of God and my hard work and dedication, I have won this first prize today, and I am very, very happy for that. So I feel proud of myself representing Garo Hills, because there are a lot of people who are willing to come into this sport, yet they don't have enough guidance. And I feel like I have been an inspiration for the youth of the Garo Hills, especially for women, because people still stigmatize bodybuilding in Garo Hills, and I think I am breaking this stigmas by representing the Garos on this stage. So I feel proud of myself to have represented the Garo people on such a big stage. So what led me into this field is I just took a mere decision to join the gym back in September 19, 2023, because I wanted to be stronger and I wanted to make fitness my lifestyle. And I did not have any plan when I joined the gym for the first time, like I might be the person to represent the Garos in this field. But when I started working out, when I was at the gym, I have seen a lot of, my seniors who has already joined the gym. They were preparing for the competition and they were all guys. So I was like, can I also go and join the competition? And they were like, yes, of course, because there's no one in this field. As of today, Garos, especially female athletes, are not there. So why don't you prepare? Some gym guys, my brothers from the gym, they also hyped me out. And later on, I just tried my luck. Even though I did not have enough preparation, I didn't have any coach, so I did not get enough guidance on how to, go into that diet for the competition. Yet I tried my luck and I won. I won for the first time on September 21st, 2024. And later on, I just got, fueled that I think I should be joining again and I should prepare myself for the bigger competitions. So I tried again on the state level, and later on I think I might go to the higher level. As of now, it's my second time winning, and I like the sport and I enjoy it. That's why I am representing with pride and confidence. If I talk about how I mentally prepare for myself for these type of competitions, it's natural for us to face many setbacks and challenges while we are on this earth, trying to give our best. Only with hard work you can receive the victory, right? So even though I have faced many setbacks, a lot of negative comments I have received, also positive comments I've received. So it works both ways. Negative comments, it doesn't affect me at all, and those positive comments that I get from my loved ones, my friends, these are the comments which has always fueled me more to work harder. And I have always kept victory on my mind, and that's how I have prepared myself for this competition. Come what may, I am ready to face the challenge. That's how I have prepared myself mentally. So being the only Garo female participant on the stage, I think it also added pressure, because I was the only Garo out there and all the other people were from different districts of the state. But that pressure, it didn't make me confused, or it didn't make me nervous. I was more confident. Being the only Garo, I have to represent the Garos and I have to show my best. That is how I think I have given my best on the stage, and I have emerged as a winner. And I just want to thank the people who have been by my side supporting me the whole time. And of course, I would want to inspire a lot of Garo women. I have got messages also, Abi, how do I, join into bodybuilding? I want to be the part of this sport. So I think 50% of the women in Garo Hills are inspired by by my winning. And I'm happy that I've represented the Garos on this stage. When I talk about future goals in this field, yes, I have a plan to go represent on the higher stage, but as we climb the ladder, the more higher it is, the more tougher the competition becomes. So as of now, I have to, have that fire in my heart that, okay, I have to prepare for the competition, and my preparation has to be full on 100% with full-on diet. So if I think I am prepared for the competition, I am definitely going to represent on the national level. That's my future goal as of now. That's what I'm thinking. To inspire and empower women from our society, particularly women, because people still stigmatize bodybuilding to be gender-based, that is only for male. But I want to break this stigmatization one stage at a time. And I want to motivate and inspire a lot of women and remind them that strength has no gender and has no boundary. Strength is beautiful. So I hope my victory opens door for future athletes, especially women, to come and participate and rise with pride. So this is how I want to impact the women from our society after my victory. For the youth would be, you need to listen to your heart. If you have that fire in your soul to chase one particular goal, you have to, keep on burning, fueling that fire in your heart, and you should never give up. The amount of negativity or any kind of comments, it will breed when you are trying to chase your goal, but this negativity should not be affecting your goals. Keep on chasing your dreams. Affect nahi karna hai tumko. Haar mat manna. You have to, listen to your heart and go and chase that goal until you succeed. This is my message for the youth.